Good morning, students. Welcome to 10th Standard Part 1, Lesson number 6, Statistics, Module 1. Before going to the chapter, let's discuss with the learning objectives. After this lesson, students will be able to develop the strategic approach to organizing data, understand the relationship between the numbers in a data set through the calculations of mean, median, and mode, and analyze the data from the tables and interpret graphs. What is statistics? Statistics is a branch of mathematics dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of the masses of the numerical data. Statistics is useful in many fields of life, for example, agriculture, economics, medicine, education, and administration, etc. What is numerical data? Numerical data is the information that is measurable. It is always collected in number forms. Example, the age of the students, the mark grading, annual income, etc. Now, we will be learning about the measures of a central tendency, namely mean, median, and mode from grouped frequency table. Last year, we have learned the measures of central tendency, namely mean, median, and mode for ungrouped data. What is ungrouped data and grouped data? Ungrouped data is the data given as individual data points. Example, the height of 5 children in a class is given in centimeters. 131, 135, 140, 138 and 133. And what is group data? Group data is the data given in intervals. When the number of scores is large, we have to arrange them in the classes, that is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, etc. Mean of statistical data, that is the average of statistical data, is equal the sum of all scores upon total number of scores. The mean is representing the letter x bar equal sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi upon n. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus etc plus xn upon n. Example 1. The marks obtained by 10 students of standard 10 in a test of 10 marks are given below. Find the mean of the data. That means find the average of the data. The numbers are 2, 4, 4, 7, 6, 7, 3, 8, 9 and 10. Solution. The mean of the data equal the sum of all scores upon total number of scores. Therefore, mean x bar equal sigma I equal to 1 to n xi upon n. That is 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 upon 8. That is 60 upon 10 equal to 6. Therefore, the mean of the data equal 6. The mean from the classified frequency distribution. When the number of scores in a data is large, we use some different methods to find the sum. The methods are direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. When you are finding the mean by direct method or assumed mean method or step deviation method, the answer should be same. The first method is direct method. In direct method, we needed 4 columns in the table. The classes are written in the first column and the class mark xi in the second column. The frequency fi is written in the third column. The product xi into fi for each class is written in the fourth column. Then sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi into fi is written. Then last, find mean x bar is equal sigma xi into fi upon n equal to sigma fi. How to find class mark xi? Class mark xi equal upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Example 1. Find the class mark of the class 15 to 25. Solution. Class mark xi equal upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. In this class 15 to 25, upper limit is 25 and lower limit is 15. Therefore, 25 plus 15 upon 2 equal to 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. Practice set 6.1 question 1. The following table shows the number of students and the time they utilize daily for their studies. Find the mean time spent by the students for their studies by direct method. In this question, the class and frequency are given. Then solution. In direct method, the mean x bar equal sigma fi xi upon sigma fi and xi equal upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. First, we have to make the table with 4 columns. The first column class is given in the question and second one is the class mark xi and frequency. Third column fi is also given and fourth column frequency into class mark, that is fi into xi. The first column, the class is 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and 8 to 10. And how to find the class mark? The upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That means 0 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 plus 4 by 2 is 3. And next is 5. And next one is 7. And next is 9. And the third column frequency is already given. First column is the 7. And second one is 18. Third one is 12 and fourth is 10 and fifth one is 3. Then sigma fi means sum of the frequency. Add this all frequency, then you will get sigma fi is equal 50. And last column, here frequency into class mark fi into xi. That means 7 into 1 is 7. 18 into 3 is 54. 12 into 5 is 60. 10 into 7 is 70. 9 into 3 is 27. Therefore, sigma fi xi means sum of the frequency into the class mark, that is equal to 218. Then in direct method, mean x bar equal sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi xi upon sigma fi, that is 218 upon 50 equal 4.36. Therefore, the mean of the time spent by the students for their studies is 4.36 hours. Question 3. A milk center sold milk to 50 customers. The table below gives the number of customers and the milk they purchased. Find the mean of the milk sold by direct method. In this question also, the class and frequency are given. And then solution. The mean x bar equal sigma fi xi upon sigma fi and xi equal upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Here also we have to make the table with the 4 columns. First one is the class And second one, class mark, frequency Fi is in third column, and frequency into class mark Fi Xi is in the fourth column. And first column 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and 5 to 6. Class mark Xi is 1 plus 2 upon 2, that is 1.5, and the next one 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, and 5.5. And frequency Fi is also given in your question. First one 17, second one 13, and third one is 10, fourth one is 7, and fifth one is 3. And sigma Fi is sum of the frequency equals 50. Frequency into class mark Fi into Xi. 17 into 1.5 is 25.5. 13 into 2.5 is 32.5. 10 into 3.5 is 35. 7 into 4.5 is 31.5. And 3 into 5.5 is 16.5. And sigma Fi into Xi, that is the sum of Fi into Xi equal to 141. Here sigma Fi Xi equal to 141, sigma Fi equal to 50, and mean X bar equal sigma is equal to 1 to n Fi Xi upon sigma Fi. 141 upon 50 is 2.82. Therefore, the mean of the milk salt is 2.82 liters. Problem set 6, question number 2. The following table shows the income of farmers in a grape season. Find the mean of their income by direct method. In this question also, the class and frequency are given. Then solution. In direct method, mean X bar equal sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi, and Xi equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. We have to make the table with the 4 columns. The first column is the class, and second one is the class mark Xi, and third column the frequency Fi, and fourth column is frequency into class mark, that is Fi into Xi. The first column, the class is already given in your question. The first one is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. The second column, class mark Xi. How to find Xi? The upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, that is 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25, and 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35, and next column is the 45, and 55, 65, and 75. And the third column, the frequency is also, Fi is also given in your question. First frequency is 10, second one 11, and third one is 15, and fourth one is 16, and fifth one is 18, and sixth is 14. Last row, sigma Fi is equal to sum of the frequency equal to 84. Next column is the frequency into class mark, that is Fi into Xi. That is 10 into 25 is 250, 11 into 35 is 385, and 15 into 45 is equal to 675, 16 into 55 is 880, and 18 into 65 is 1170, and 14 into 75 is equal 1050. Sigma Fi Xi means sum of all Fi into Xi, that is equal 4410. In direct method, mean X bar is equal sigma I is equal to 1 to n Fi Xi upon sigma Fi, that is equal 4410 upon 84, that is equal 52.5. and this is the income is given in the thousand. Therefore the answer multiplied by 1000. Therefore 52.5 multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 52,500 rupees. And last statement, the mean of the income of the farmers is rupees 52,500. Question number 3. The loans sanctioned by a bank for construction of farm ponds are shown in the following table. Find the mean of the loans by direct method. In this question also, the loan and number of farm ponds as the class and frequency are given. Then solution. In direct method, mean x bar equal sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, and xi equal upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. We have to make the table with the 4 columns. The first column class, second one class mark xi, and third column is the frequency fi, and fourth column frequency into class mark, that is fi into xi. The class is already given: 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. And the next column, class mark xi, is 40 plus 50 upon 2 is 45, 55, 65, 75 and 85. And third column, the frequency is already given, that is fi is equal 13, second one is 20, third one is 24, and fourth one is 36, and fifth one is 7. And sigma fi is sum of the frequency equal to 100. Fourth column, fi into xi, that is 13 into 45 is equal 585, and next one 20 into 55 equal 1100, and next is 24 into 65 equal 1560, and next one is 2700, and next one is 595. And sigma fi xi, sum of fi xi equal 6540. And in direct method, mean x bar equal sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi xi upon sigma fi, that is 6540 upon 100, that is equal 65.4. That is, this also is given in thousands. Therefore, you have to multiply the answer by 1000. 65.4 multiplied by 1000 is 65,400. The last statement, the mean of the loans given by the bank is rupees 65,400. Question for practice. The weekly wages of 120 workers in a factory are shown in the following frequency distribution table. Find the mean of the weekly wages by direct method. In this question also, weekly wages and number of workers as the class and frequency are given. Thank you, children.